To update the image of the CX700 is really easy, but before you update an image, you should check which version is actually on the CX6. For that, I use the device manager via Trinket. A new image is provided by the Beckhoff service. Only carry out an update after consulting them. To update the image, switch off the CX700, remove the SD card and read the content via SD card reader or a similar device. Save the content of the SD card for safety reasons. Either copy the new image to the SD card and overwrite the existing files, or delete the entire content of the SD card and copy the new image to the empty SD card. In that, the SD card back into the CX700 and switch it on after the progress has finished. Remember, if you copy the image to an empty SD card, the CX will be reset to factory settings. This also applies the Trinket project. Depending on whether copied and replaced or copied the image on an empty SD card, the ADS route must be added again.